How to sign into Peacock. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can sign into Peacock, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to sign into the Peacock TV app, all you have to do is make sure you download the Peacock TV application from your Play Store or your App Store, depending on whether you're using Android or Apple device. Once done, what you want to do is, by the way, all you have to do is right at the top right you'll find a sign in option. Make sure to tap the sign in button here, and all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your email and then enter your password and then tap the sign in option. Now in case you don't know what password you have typed in, you can tap the I button over here, or in case you happen to forget your password, you can tap on forgot password option to go ahead and then reset your password accordingly. Or if you don't have an account, you can also tap the sign up option from the top right in order to create a new account. This way you can sign into Peacock. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.